Breaking news. The Middle East is on edge after Israel launched a massive attack on Iran's nuclear and military facilities. Here's what you need to know, right now. Alternate opening. If you thought tensions in the Middle East couldn't get any higher, think again. Israel just struck dozens of targets inside Iran. Let's break down the facts. Early this morning, Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, targeting Iran's main uranium enrichment site at Nطنز, missile factories and key military headquarters in Tehran. Several top Iranian generals and nuclear scientists were killed. Iran's supreme leader has vowed harsh revenge, calling this a crime and promising a bitter fate for Israel. In response, Israel declared a national state of emergency, closing its main airport, mobilizing tens of thousands of soldiers, and putting air defenses on high alert. The United States says it had no part in the attacks, but is preparing to evacuate Americans from the region if needed. Markets reacted fast. Oil prices jumped, stocks tumbled, and global leaders urged restraint. As both sides brace for potential retaliation, the world is watching closely. Stay tuned for updates on this critical and fast-moving story.